transport, definition, transport in a sentence, transport pronunciation, transport meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of transport. 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 Transport as a verb means to carry or to take from one place to another, or the process of moving something. Transport as a noun means the vehicle or method of moving to another place. Common usages in academic writing: transported by truck, aerial transport, means of transport, public transportation. Example sentences: transport, verb. Most of the parts were transported by truck. Example sentence number 2, the transplant organs are kept on ice during transport. The common academic writing variation is transportation, noun. The city invested nearly $3 million into public transportation. Please write a sentence using transport in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of transport, the meaning of transport, and transport example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.